Ronaldinho's legacy continues as Nike reintroduces the Tiempo legend in a sleek, indoor-ready version, just in time for the indoor football wave. Inspired by the viral crossbar video that made him a global sensation, this edition mirrors the rare 2021 release, which was limited to only 3,000 pairs. The crisp white and gold colorway remains intact, complemented by signature touches like the R-shaped hang tag, custom shoe sack, and special box packaging. Numbers 5, 15, 25 etched on the heel pay tribute to key milestones in Ronaldinho's storied connection with the Tiempo line. Long before the age of social media, Nike captured viral magic through raw skill and unforgettable storytelling, with Ronaldinho at the heart of it all. Now, that magic returns in collectible form, appealing to longtime fans and a new generation of players alike. Expect this premium indoor Tiempo legend release to arrive later this year at select retailers on Nike.com.